Engine components. Main components of engine are cylinder block, crankshaft, connecting rod, piston, valves, and camshaft. Now let's learn location and function of these critical parts of the engine. Cylinder block. It encloses the engine cylinders and provides stability when piston moves in the cylinders. Note, it contains the part which carries the coolant. The coolant is used for cooling the cylinder block during engine operation. Cylinder block also helps in reducing the noise of combustion by damping it. Crankshaft. It is placed on the main bearing in the crankcase. It changes the reciprocating motion of piston into circular motion. The crankshaft is connected to the piston with the help of a connecting rod. The crankshaft rotates about its axis as the piston reciprocates. Note, by this rotatory motion power is generated. With the help of other different components, it is transmitted to the wheels. Connecting rod. It is used to connect the piston and crankshaft. The two ends of the connecting rod are of different size. The large-sized end of the connecting rod is connected to the crankshaft and the small-sized end is connected to the piston. Piston. It is a cylindrical-shaped component, which transfers the fuel explosion force to the crankshaft, with the help of connecting rod. Top dead center, TDC, is the farthest position a piston can reach during its operation. Bottom dead center, BDC, is the lowest position of piston in the cylinder. Note, piston always moves from top dead center to bottom dead center and vice versa. Piston rings. A piston consists of slots to accommodate piston rings. Piston rings are used as seal to prevent leakage of combustion gases in crankcase. Note, one of these rings also provide proper lubrication on cylinder walls and helps reducing wear of piston rings and cylinder. Valves. Valves are used to take in air, in case of diesel engine, or air-fuel mixture, in case of petrol engine. They are also used to remove exhaust gases from the engine. Note: every engine cylinder has one inlet and one exhaust valve. These valves must operate at correct timing for better efficiency of the engine. Camshaft. Camshafts are used as valve controller and controls the timing of opening and closing of inlet and exhaust valves. As they are placed on the top of cylinder head, hence it is called overhead camshaft. Note: the camshaft has various cams at different angular positions placed on a common shaft for controlling the valves. The crankshaft drives the camshaft with the help of gear drive, chain, or belt. Note: rotating speed of camshaft is half of the crankshaft speed. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.